Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio in Alight Motion. If you're new to Alight Motion and you don't know how to add audio to your videos, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, at first, open the Alight Motion app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to create a new project, or simply click on projects to open your existing project. Now here, if we want to add audio to it, simply click on plus icon here and you can see different options like shape, media, audio. Simply click on audio and click on allow access. And now you can access your audio from your device and choose the audio that you want to use in your video. For example, to add audio to it, simply click on the bottom plus icon of the audio and it will be added to the project just like this, and if we play it, it will be on our video with our video. And just like that, we can add audio in our projects in Alight Motion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.